The Industrial Revolution was the change to new manufacturing methods in the period from about 1760 to around 1820. This transition included going from hand production to machine production, improved efficiency of water power, the increasing use of steam power, and the development of machines. It also included the change from wood to coal for fuel. Phase 1. To start the machine, I will push over a small cup of water. The water will then flow down a small tube, activating the next step. This step symbolizes the beginning of the revolution by beginning the motion of the machine. Phase 2. The water will flow into a marble, putting it in motion. The water will then follow the marble into a tunnel. This tunnel has holes in the bottom to drain water into a small cup, while the marble continues to step 3. This step symbolizes the change in motion from water to the marble, similar to the change from wood to coal as power. Phase 3. In this step, the marble will hit a small lever releasing more marbles. This step symbolizes the increase of population. Phase 4. In this step, the marbles will hit the cup with the water and knock it into a pot that is being heated to boiling temperature. This step symbolizes steam power during the Industrial Revolution. Phase 5. The evaporation from the water will cause a balloon to expand and rise to knock a pump into a cup of water, pumping the water out of it. This symbolizes the steam pump used to get water out of the coal mines. Phase 6. The water then pours into a small channel with a water wheel. This step represents the canals and roads during the Industrial Revolution. Phase 7. The water wheel turns the energy from the water into energy for the next step. This step represents the factories built and used during the Industrial Revolution. It also represents James Watt and the unit of power, the watt. Phase 8. The energy from the water wheel powers a steamboat. The steamboat then sails to the next step, activating it. This step symbolizes cash crops, trade, and the advance in steam power during the Revolution. Phase 9. The boat sails into a button to activate the next step. Once the button is pushed, 4 small figures come out. One is larger than the other 3 and is white. The others are dark colored. This step represents slavery. Phase 10. The figures continue until they turn a light switch, leaving only a dim light comparable to the moon. Then they proceed into a small box. This step represents the lunar society and the meeting during the full moon.